Okay, we're going to work on homework 3.3, graphing linear functions. So first thing, what do we have? Negative 2x plus 5. How we are going to build these functions? There are three ways to build a function. One way is by points, and that's what's gonna ask us to build this one by points. The other way it's gonna be by intercept, and third way it's gonna be by slope. So this graph we're gonna build by points. So let's see how we're gonna work on it. So if my x is equal 0, right? So x is 0, negative 2 times x is 0 and 5. So when x is equal 0, my y is equal 5. Here it is. Next, x is equal 2, let's say. I'm taking 2. It doesn't matter. You can take any value of x. X is 2, and negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 and 5 is 1. So when x is 2, y is 1. 2 points, and the graph is done. Book is recommending 3 points, but I can assure you 2 points is plenty. Okay. Let's check. Okay, nice work. Next one. Okay, we are going to do the same way by points. Okay, so I'm going to take x is equal to. Why I took 2? Because I have 1/2. Okay, hold on, what happened? I lost it. All right, I'm going to second one. First one, we solved it, so it escaped. 1/2, right? So that's why I'm taking 2, so 2 and 2 would cancel, I will have 1. So if x is equal to, okay, 2 times 1/2 is 1, and plus 8 is going to be 9. So x is 2, y is 9, right here. X is 2, y is 9. And I'm taking x is negative 2, right? If I take x is negative 2, it's going to be negative 1. 1/2 times negative 2 is going to be negative 1, and plus 8 is going to be 7. So negative 2 and 7, right here. But it's negative 2, 1/2, yes. Saving. Very good. Question number 3. How we gonna solve this one? This one, question number 3, I'm going to solve by y-intercept, x and y-intercept. So what do we have? X minus y equal negative 5. What means finding by intercept? Meaning, if I have this graph, let's say, this intercept, this point, and this point I need to find. To find this point, x is going to be equal 0. To find this point, y is going to be equal 0, right? Therefore, first intercept, when x is equal 0, my y-intercept is going to be negative y is equal negative x minus 5, right? And y will be equal positive x plus 5. Why? Because I divided by negative 1, right? Meaning it flipped the sign, x plus 5. Correct? Okay. And when x is equal 0, my y is going to be positive 5. So 0.5. Number 2, when y is equal 0, so I'm going to have x minus 0 equal negative 5. Here also you could plug right away. So I just solve it to make it maybe easier for you to understand. And x is equal negative 5. So it's going to be negative 5, comma, 0. So 0, positive 5, and negative 5 and 0. 0, positive 5. Oh. 0, positive 5, and negative 5 and 0. There we go. Saving. Checking. Nice work. Next one. Oh, what is this? Type the equation. Okay, we need to find the equation. Okay. Using function notation. So I already had it here. Y is equal x plus 5. That's notation they look for. So I will write down x plus 5. All right. Moving to question number 4. So x is equal 4y. In this case, it's interesting. Let me show you. X is equal. Did I write down correct? X is equal 4y. Yes. It's asking for x and y intercept. Okay, we do it. So first, when x is equal 0, what we get? 0 is equal 4y. And y is also equal 0, right? We get 0, 0. If I take y is equal 0, same way x is going to be 0. So we end up with 0, 0 anyway. But 1 point only is not enough to draw the line. We need 2 points. Therefore, second point, I'm taking any value of x or any value of y. Let's say, okay, y is equal 1. Then x is going to be equal 4. 4 times 1. So it's going to be 4 and 1. So 0, 0, 4 and 1. Let's see. 0, 0, and 4 and 1. Right here. Very good. So to find equation using function notation, we have x is equal 4y. We need to find y. To find y, I need to divide by coefficient of x, coefficient of y. And that's going to be y is equal x over 4. X over 4. Okay, next question, number 5. So again, linear equation, negative x plus 3y equals 6. negative x plus 3y equals 6. So first thing, x is equal 0. What do we get? 3y equals 6 because of the x going to be 0. And y is going to be equal 2, right? So coordinate 0 and 2. First we write x, second we write y. Second, when y is equal 0, x-intercept, what we get? Negative x is equal 6. X is equal negative 6, right? So we are getting negative 6 and 0. 0, 2, negative 6 and 0. So 0, 2. And second point was negative 6 and 0, okay? Let me delete this. 0, 2 and negative this and this point. Oh no. Okay, let me 0, 2 and negative 6 and 0. Okay, finally. And what do we have here? Type the equation using function notation. So let's do it. Negative x plus 3y equals 6. Here it is. So from here, 3y is equal positive x plus 6. And dividing by 3, y is equal x over 3 plus 6 over 3. It's going to be 2. X over 3 plus 2. Or you can write down 1/3 of x. Doesn't matter. 1/3 of x plus 2. Question number 7. No, 6. No, 7. Okay. What do we have? Y at the graph x is equal negative 1. Pretty straightforward. X is negative 1. Since it's only x, we don't have any y. So it's never cross y. Therefore, it's going to be vertical line. Okay? Checking. Bingo. Next question. Number 9. Did I skip anything? I skipped number 6. Let's go back. Number 6. What was that I skipped? 3x minus 6y equals 6. Okay. 3x minus 6y equals 6. So by intercept, we are going to solve it by intercept again, which is the same thing. So first we think x is equal 0. We get negative 6y equals 6. Y is equal negative 1, right? 0, negative 1. And second intercept, y is equal 0. We get 3x is equal 6 because negative 6y is going to be 0. And x is equal 6. So we get 6 and 0. So 0, negative 1, and 6 and 0. 0, negative 1, and then 6 and 0. There we go. What's wrong? Let me see. 3x minus 6y equals 6. y is equal -1, 0, and y 3x is equal, equal 2. Math and silly mistakes go one hand by hand. 2 and 0, okay? Okay, I'm going to do over 0, -1. That's not working like that. 0, -1, and 2 and 0. Okay. All right, so, and we need to find function notation. So, -6y is equal -3x plus 6 from here. And dividing by -6, I'm getting y is equal x over 2, right? And -1, x over 2 minus 1. Let's write down. X over 2 and -1. Okay, we fill the gap that we missed. Question number 8. What is this? Y is equal 0. All right, y is equal 0, it's here. So my graph is sitting on 0. Safe? Good job. How about 7? Did we skip 7 also? I did. I believe I did, but okay. X is equal 9. Okay. There we go. Completed this one also. Question number 9. What is here? X minus 2 is, y minus 2 equals 0, which means it's a graph y is equal to. That's it. Because there is no y, that means it's going to run parallel to, there is no x, that means graph is going to run parallel to x and never cross x. Why is it incorrect? Y is equal to, I guess I'm tired. I'm recording 4 videos already. Oh, come on, stay straight. Okay. Okay. And question number 10. Match the equation with graph y is equal -9. Okay, let's see. This is 9.5. This is not it, it's a horizontal line. This doesn't look 9.5. Oh, 5 of them. Okay, this one. Because it's going to be horizontal line. All other threes are at the up. This one +9. Okay, -9. Okay, this one. C. X minus 5 equals 0. That means x is equal 5, right? I'm looking for +5. 5 looks like this one. Because D is y is equal whatever, I don't see it. B is equal negative, the y is equal negative some number. A is the x is equal negative some number. So positive 5, it's going to be C. And number 12, x plus 2y equal 10. Okay. So x is equal 0, 2y is equal 10, y is equal 5. So 0, 5. Second, y is equal 0. X is equal 10 because y will be 0. And it's going to be 10, comma 0. 0, 5, 10, 0. Let's go. Zero, 5, and 10, 0. There we go. And that's it. We completed. Okie dokie. See you in next video.